Good morning, students. Already we saw preparation of colloidal solutions by dispersion and condensation methods. So, that prepared colloidal solutions, it may contain some impurities. Suppose if we are not removing the impurities, it may destabilize the colloids, so that colloidal solution, it may get precipitated, that is, it gets coagulated. So, impurities, especially electrolytes, should be removed to increase the stabilization of colloids. So, for that, purifying the colloids become necessary. For the purification of colloids, we are using three different methods: dialysis, electrodialysis, and ultrafiltration. First, let us discuss the topic dialysis. See, in this dialysis process, we are using the semi-permeable membrane. So, colloidal solution is taken in a semi-permeable membrane. Then it is suspended in a trough of flowing water. At that time, electrolytes are diffusing out of the membrane so that it is carried away by the water. So, colloidal solutions are taken in this dialyzing membrane, that is immersed in water, so that electrolytes come out of the bag. Clear? Next method is electrodialysis. For the electrodialysis, we are using electric field, which is increasing the speed of removal of electrolytes from the electrolytic solution. So the colloidal solution, which is carrying an electrolyte, that is placed between two dialyzing membranes, which is closed with two compartments. See, the two compartments, it is filled with water. Once when current is passed, the impurities pass into that water compartment, so that the process becomes quick due to this electric current. Okay. So the rate of diffusion of electrolytes is increased by applying electricity. Is it clear, ma? Next method, it is ultrafiltration. Generally, ordinary filter paper, when we are taking the pore size of the ordinary filter paper, it will allow the colloidal solution easily. So, in ultrafiltration, we are using the membrane which is coated by collodion cellophane. Okay. So, once when colloidal solution is filtered by using this kind of ultrafilter, at that time colloidal particles, it is separated by using this filter paper, and the impurities will be removed. So once when we are applying pressure over this process becomes quick. Okay. So the separation of salt particles from electrolytes by filtration through this ultrafilter, that we are saying it as ultrafiltration. Colloid See, for ultrafiltration, we are coating the ordinary filter paper using cellophane, we said no. Even collodion also we can use it. That collodion is 4% solution of nitrocellulose in a mixture of alcohol and water. So, in today's class, what we discussed? What are the various methods which we are using to purify the colloids? First method, it is dialysis. Next, ultradialysis. And finally, by using this ultrafiltration process. In next class, we will see the properties of colloids in detail. Thank you, students.